Welcome to this quick algebra session. Today we are tackling 5 smart questions on factoring polynomials from the basics to advanced tricks. Let's simplify factor. First technique, factor out the greatest common factor, which is GCF. Here is 12x cube plus 18x square minus 6x. So which one is common factor? Like, look, here is x cube, here is x square, and here is x. So naturally we can take common x. Another thing, this 12 we can divide it by 6, this 18 we can divide it by 6, and this 6 also we can divide it by 6. Therefore we are getting two things, one is 6, another one is x, which we can take common. So once we take common, 12 divided 6, it will be 2, and x cube divided by x, it will be x square, plus here is 18 divided 6, it will be 3, x square divide x, and we can get only x, minus once we take common 6x, here is only 1, and this is our answer. So we are doing just common factor. Next one is factor the quadratic trinomial completely, which is famous of middle term factor, right? So look, here is 6, we can 6 convert to 3 times 2, it will be 6. Again 3 plus 2 will be 5. So we can write like this, x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. And once we take common x, so x plus 3 plus 2 common, x plus 3. And our answer is x plus 3, x plus 3, we can take common x plus 3, and here is x plus 2, and this is our answer. So two things we completed, one is common factor, another one is middle term factor or quadratic trinomial. Next one is factor using the difference of squaring formula. We know about a square minus b square, it will be a plus b times a minus b. So this one also we can write like this, here is 16x square, we can write 4x square, minus 81 we can write 9 square. So it's looking a square minus b square, so we can write 4x plus 9 and 4x minus 9. It's like a square minus b square, although a plus b and a minus b. Next one is factor by grouping. Look, here is x cube 3x square plus 2x plus 6. So we have to group which one we can take common factor. Like here is x cube, we can write plus 2x, then plus 3x square plus 6. Now very simple, here is x common, so x square plus 2, plus here is 3 common, again x square plus 2. So our answer is x square plus 2 times x plus 3. Very simple. So by grouping we also can make factorize. And finally we have to know about factor using the sum or difference of cubic formula. Here is 8x cube minus 2, 27. So this 8x cube we can write 2x cube, minus this 27 we can write 3 cube. So this one we know about a cube minus b cube, it means a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Similar, 2x minus 3 and then 2x square plus 2x times 3 plus 3 square. So 2x minus 3, and here is 4x square plus 6x plus 9, and this is our answer, right? So thank you very much for being with me. This is very important techniques to factoring If you think this video is perfect for you and helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.